Sales Geek was founded with one mission in mind: change the way the world perceives sales. And since 2017, we have geeks all around the world, all with that common mission in mind. We have everything from part-time sales directors, sales training, everything for investment readiness, diagnostics tools, all the things that any sales operation needs to know and understand to be the best that both your people and your sales operation can be. Sales Geek is dedicated to making it excellent. So how does Sales Geek help your business? Well, first and foremost, we need to understand a little bit about you and your business, and then your people, your processes, your systems. We need to do a deep dive, as you would expect. Looking back over somewhere around 3 years, we'll get an understanding as to what your business is, what your challenges have been, and all the things that you have done to bring you to where you are today. That lays an amazing foundation to understand what we need to build out going forward. From there, we'll design the systems, the processes, the methodologies, the training plans. We'll implement the training plans, create the coaching and development and mentorship programs for your leaders, and we'll ensure that we take you, your people, and your business on that journey over 36 months to success.